In front of me is Realme C61 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and click on all of your photos that you wish to add. You can also select folders at the top and tap on any photo to add over here. This time though, you need to add all of them separately. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!